Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cybersecurity, exploring some hidden gems on the internet that can help you become a pro hacker. Ethically, of course. We're talking about 23 websites that are packed with challenges, resources, and communities that'll take your ethical hacking game to the next level. Let's get started. First up, we've got Hack the Box, a platform that throws you right into the action with a variety of challenges designed to simulate real-world hacking scenarios. Imagine stepping into a virtual hacking playground where you can test your skills against vulnerable systems and crack the code to gain access. Plus, you earn points and climb the leaderboards, which adds a fun, competitive element to the learning process. Next, we have TryHackMe, an incredible platform that provides structured learning paths and hands-on experience in cybersecurity. TryHackMe breaks down complex topics into bite-sized modules, making it super easy to digest and understand. From basic concepts to advanced techniques, TryHackMe has got you covered. Now let's talk about Over the Wire, a classic in the cybersecurity world. This platform is all about war games, a series of challenges that test your ability to exploit vulnerabilities and gain access to systems. Each war game on Over the Wire is designed to teach you specific security concepts, from basic networking to advanced exploitation techniques. Moving on to VulnHub, a platform that provides a playground for practicing your vulnerability exploitation skills. Here, you can download virtual machines that are intentionally designed with security flaws, giving you the perfect opportunity to put your knowledge to the test. It's a great way to get a feel for how real-world vulnerabilities are exploited, and to develop the skills you need to defend against them. Next up, we have CTF Time, the go-to platform for finding and participating in Capture the Flag, or CTF competitions. CTF Time acts as a central hub, providing a calendar of upcoming CTFs, along with rankings and resources for both organizers and participants. It's like the esports of cybersecurity, and it's a ton of fun. Let's talk about Pentester Lab, a platform that's laser-focused on web application security. Pentester Lab offers a range of interactive exercises and labs that cover everything from cross-site scripting, or XSS, to SQL injection and beyond. You'll get to experiment with different attack vectors, analyze web application code, and develop the skills you need to secure web applications from malicious attacks. Now let's explore the Exploit Database, a massive repository of publicly disclosed exploits and advisories. Think of it like a vast library that catalogs vulnerabilities in software and systems, along with the methods to exploit them. It's a powerful tool for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Next up, we have SecurityTube, a treasure trove of cybersecurity knowledge and training. This platform offers a wide range of video tutorials, courses, and presentations covering various aspects of cybersecurity, from ethical hacking to network security and beyond. It's an excellent resource for staying up to date on the latest threats, expanding your knowledge base, and taking your cybersecurity skills to the next level. Let's talk about BugCrowd University, the perfect starting point for anyone interested in becoming a bug bounty hunter. BugCrowd University offers free courses and resources that teach you the fundamentals of bug bounty hunting, from identifying vulnerabilities to writing professional vulnerability reports. It's an amazing opportunity to earn some extra cash while making the internet a safer place. Next, we have HackerOne, another leading platform that connects ethical hackers with organizations looking to improve their security posture. Similar to BugCrowd, HackerOne facilitates bug bounty programs, allowing security researchers to report vulnerabilities and earn rewards. It's a win-win situation for both hackers and organizations. Let's explore SANS CyberAces, an initiative by SANS Institute, a global leader in cybersecurity training and certification. SANS CyberAces offers a series of free online courses that cover the fundamentals of cybersecurity. You'll learn about networking, operating systems, cryptography, and more. The best part is it's completely free, making high-quality cybersecurity education accessible to everyone. Now let's dive into Cybrary, a vast online library of cybersecurity training and resources. Cybrary offers a mix of free and paid content, covering a wide range of cybersecurity topics, from ethical hacking to digital forensics and incident response. With its comprehensive offerings and flexible learning options, Cybrary has something for everyone. Moving on to Open Security Training, a platform dedicated to providing free and open-source cybersecurity training materials. They offer a collection of courses, labs, and resources covering various security domains, all released under open licenses. Their commitment to providing high-quality training materials for free is truly commendable. Let's explore Hack This Site, a platform that provides a legal and safe environment for learning and practicing your hacking skills. They offer a series of challenges designed to test your web hacking, programming, and cryptography skills. Hack This Site is an excellent resource for beginners looking to get a feel for ethical hacking, and for more experienced hackers who want to brush up on their skills. Next up, we have RootMe, a platform that offers a variety of challenges designed to help you improve your hacking abilities. You'll encounter challenges that require you to think creatively and apply your knowledge in practical scenarios. RootMe is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to challenge themselves, learn new skills, and test their limits in a safe and legal environment. Let's dive into the world of hardware hacking with Hackaday, a website and community dedicated to all things hardware and DIY electronics. You'll find articles, tutorials, and projects covering a wide range of hardware hacking topics, from building your own drones to reverse engineering electronic devices. Hackaday is a fantastic resource for anyone interested in the intersection of hardware and security. Now let's talk about Offensive Security, a well-respected provider of cybersecurity training and certifications. Their flagship certification, the Offensive Security Certified Professional, or OSCP, is a globally recognized certification for penetration testers. They focus on real-world scenarios and practical exercises, ensuring that you are prepared for the challenges you'll face in a professional setting. Moving on to Nullbyte, a website that offers a wealth of tutorials, guides, and articles on ethical hacking and cybersecurity. You'll find step-by-step guides on how to use various hacking tools, as well as in-depth explanations of different cybersecurity concepts. Whether you're interested in web application security, network penetration testing, or anything in between, Nullbyte has something for you. Let's explore the SecurityTube Metasploit Framework Expert, or SMFE certification. The SMFE certification is designed for security professionals who want to master the art of using the Metasploit framework for penetration testing and exploit development. Earning the SMFE certification demonstrates your expertise in using the Metasploit framework, a valuable skill in the cybersecurity industry. Next up, we have pwunable.kr, a platform that offers a series of war games focused on system exploitation and binary analysis. The challenges on pwunable.kr are designed to be challenging and require a deep understanding of operating systems, memory management, and assembly language. By conquering the challenges on pwunable.kr, you'll gain valuable skills in binary exploitation, reverse engineering, and exploit development. Let's explore Hack This, a website that offers a series of challenges designed to teach you about web application security. The challenges on Hack This cover a range of topics, from cross-site scripting and SQL injection to file inclusion vulnerabilities and more. Hack. This is an excellent resource for anyone looking to learn about web application security or to sharpen their existing skills. Moving on to Hacking Lab, an online platform that offers a variety of cybersecurity challenges and competitions. They offer challenges in various categories, including web hacking, cryptography, steganography, and more. It's an excellent platform for anyone looking to challenge themselves, learn from others, and stay up to date on the latest cybersecurity trends. Finally, let's talk about Hack the Box Academy, an extension of the Hack the Box platform that offers structured learning paths and courses for different skill levels. They offer courses on various topics, including web application penetration testing, network penetration testing, and Active Directory security. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced hacker looking to specialize in a particular area, Hack the Box Academy has something to offer. Your journey to becoming an ethical hacker starts now. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these websites as exciting and useful as I do. Whether you're interested in bug bounty hunting, penetration testing, or simply improving your overall cybersecurity knowledge, these websites provide a wealth of resources to help you on your journey. So dive in, explore, and most importantly, have fun learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one.